Look at this. $7 for a handful of raspberries that'll probably mold before you even get them home. Grocery store sticker shock isn't just a meme anymore. It's our daily reality. We're all feeling it. Most of us start a garden because we want fresh. But in 2026, we're gardening because we want our money back. Most people waste their limited yard space on vanity crops, like corn, which takes 90 days to give you 2 ears of 50-cent kernels. That's not a garden. That's a bad investment. Today, we're going tactical. We're focusing on the price per square foot champions. We're going to show you the top 5 high ROI crops that can easily save you $500 or more this season. Let's make a withdrawal.
The herb wealth strategy. Number 1 is the biggest scam in the produce aisle. Fresh herbs. You know the drill. You buy a plastic clamshell of basil for $5, use 3 leaves for a margarita pizza, and the rest turns into black slime in your fridge. Herbs like basil, cilantro, and mint are high value because they are cut and come again. A single $3 organic starter plant can produce $50 worth of pesto over a summer. If you're in the South with that heavy clay, stick your rosemary in a pot or a raised bed with extra grit. If you're out west in the sand, these guys love the drainage. This is pure profit per square inch.
Indeterminate tomatoes, the producers. Number 2, indeterminate tomatoes. Notice I didn't just say tomatoes. Determinate types, the ones that look like little bushes, drop all their fruit at once and quit. We want the marathon runners. In the US, organic heirloom tomatoes are hitting $5 a pound. One well-managed indeterminate plant can easily kick out 15 to 20 pounds of fruit. Do the math. That's $100 of value from one plant. Whether you're in Zone 5 or Zone 9, the secret is verticality. Grow them up, not out. You're saving floor space and bankrolling your pantry.
Salad greens and the cut and come again method. Number 3 is salad greens, specifically the cut and come again varieties like kale, Swiss chard, and leaf lettuce. A bag of organic spring mix is hovering around $6 now, and half of it is usually soggy. These crops love the shoulder seasons. If you're in a northern zone, you can start these while there's still frost on the ground. By harvesting just the outer leaves, the plant keeps producing for weeks. It's the ultimate grocery hack because you only harvest exactly what you're eating for dinner that night. Zero waste, max ROI.
Organic berry math.
Number 4, the perennial gold. Berries. Blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are the blue chips of the garden. Yes, the upfront cost of a bush is higher, maybe $20 or $30. But unlike a tomato, you don't replant these every year. Once they're established, they are a recurring revenue stream. Organic blueberries are luxury items at the store. In your backyard, they're practically free labor. Just watch your soil pH. Blueberries need that acidic kick. If your soil is alkaline, don't fight it. Just grow them in large containers with peat moss. High-density bush beans. Finally, number 5, high-density bush beans. Why? Because they are the fillers. They fix nitrogen in your soil, making it better for next year. And they produce like crazy in a tiny footprint. We're talking about varieties like Provider or Blue Lake. They go from seed to dinner plate in about 50 days. You can succession plant these, meaning you plant a new row every 2 weeks. You'll have a continuous supply of fresh, crunchy beans that blow those canned gray things out of the water. The expert secret? Soil priming. Here's the pro tip the big box stores won't tell you. Most people spend all their money on the plants and zero on the soil. That's like buying a Ferrari and putting kerosene in the tank. Don't just buy garden soil in a bag. Use the lasagna method. Layer your grass clippings, shredded autumn leaves, and kitchen scraps right on your beds.
This microbial activity creates black gold for free. It's the difference between a plant that survives and a plant that pays rent. You don't need a farm. You just need a start. Here's your mission for today. Go outside, find a 2x2-foot patch of sun, and clear the weeds. Just that. Clear the space. Tomorrow, we plant. We're taking our food back, 1 square foot at a time. Hit that like button if you're tired of grocery store prices, and we'll see you in the dirt.